About 3 weeks ago, I bit the bullet and ordered a new dehumidifier to replace the one that had given up the ghost after 5 years of often useful service. I replaced it with the Frigidaire 70 pint model. This is the newer version. Amazon at this point in late July of 2011 is still showing both models, but the newer version got some pretty good reviews. I bought it, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'll walk you very quickly through some of the features. As most of these tend to be, it is heavy and a bit awkward. However, Frigidaire has given you a very nice handle, which works very well. I'm going to remove the bucket, which comes out very easily, but does set off an alarm. And you notice it too has a handle. One very nice feature is when you remove the bucket, all you have to do is reach down and remove a filter, which can then be washed by hand, and a very simple process. What I have, the previous model that I had, which was not a Frigidaire, I had no idea there was even a filter in it, and I guess that probably contributed to the fact that after 5 years of not so benign neglect, it gave up the ghost. One of the nice features about this is it does what it's supposed to do, which is to say that it will fill up that 70 pint container very quickly. Certainly overnight here. Here, by the way, is in a very typical New England basement, which is to say it's typical because it's overstuffed with several people's lifetimes worth of junk, and it has a fair amount of humidity. The controls on the top are very easy to use and intuitive. One thing I did notice, however, is that the reviews frequently point to a problem with draining, and in fact, people I think have made much more of this than it really warrants. The way I addressed the issue, and now we're looking at the back of the machine, is I went out to the garden, found a hose diverter, pulled it off the spigot in the garden, put it in here, have it set vertically, as you can see. This part of the diverter is blocked off, and this part is heading down. And what it does is it goes right over to the grating over the sump area in my basement. What you might notice is that the end of the hose is actually tied to the grating by using a wire tie. I'm pretty happy with this so far. 5 out of 5 stars, and that's it. Good luck with your purchase.